To fix the Sky Sports app not working on Android, here's a quick guide. 1. Check your internet connection. Start by ensuring your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. Poor internet often causes apps not to load. 2. Restart your Android device and try again. 3. Clear cache and data. Go to Settings, Apps, Sky Sports, then tap on Storage and choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. This can remove any corrupted files that may be causing issues. 4. Update the app. Outdated apps can be buggy. Open the Google Play Store, search for Sky Sports, and check if there's an update available. 5. Reinstall the app. If the problem persists, uninstall the app from your device and reinstall it from the Google Play Store. 6. Contact Sky Support. If none of these steps work, reach out to Sky's customer support. They can help with server issues or account-specific problems. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps helps you get the Sky Sports app back on track.